Hi! In front of me is tablet Navitel T787 and today I would like to show you how you can add photo to text message. First of all, open Messages app. Then select one of your chats and click on this icon with a camera and the photo next to a plus one. You can click on your photos right away over here, or if you wish to, tap on Gallery section instead. Then just tap on your photos. And when you finished, click on Add at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my pictures were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!